YouTubers, thanks again for joining me. All charged up now. I checked this one over, charged it all up, and before I did that, I charged them, set my controller to 29.2 volts, but the meter was reading at 28.87. I really don't trust my meters is accurate, so I got to work with what I got. And the packs came in, the highest is 4.15 and the lowest is 4.11 between bank 2 and 3 in those sets. And that was very little maintenance over the time as far as charging a little bit in just to keep them up to balance with the rest. Anyway, all charged up, all ready to go. I've got my connecting wire from positive over here to the positive over there. I've got to redo this bit here because they're positive behind. It wasn't touching, I won't touch, but I've got to keep it separate. Same with the negative. I just bent that on a 90-degree to connect to the next bank negative there. Anyway, all set up, all ready to go. Let's turn it on, but I want to do a capacity test. Not a load test, a capacity. I want to see how close I can get to the 12.7 kilowatts. So we'll turn it on. Not going to have the solar on for this test because obviously it'll keep charging during the day. And certainly, yes, I've got to redo all the solar side of this. It's just okay, but not going to be good for the long term. Anyway, connect the circuit breaker back in. Inverter is connected. Turn the inverter back on. It's saying 29.1 there, volts there. Another little meter I've got is 29.3. Okay, 29.2 I went up to. Anyway, my little watts meter. It's hard to see. So this will tell me a calculated total. So at the moment it's drawing 217 watts. And this LED readout is what the house is drawing, 220 watts, 1 amp, so on and so forth. So hopefully this test will show me just how much I can get out of my batteries. I'm aiming for, if I can get 75% of 12 kilowatts, I'll be happy. But drop some comments, have a guess, and put in what you think we might get out of it. It'd be interesting to see everyone's thoughts or idea on what we can actually get. Anyway, I won't go on too much. I'll get back to you in a week or so with the result. But I anticipate this test to take about 24 hours based on what we use. Anyway, thanks again for your time and tuning in, and stay tuned for the actual result. Thank you and see you later.